You probably clicked to watch this video because you've tried coping skills and they just haven't worked for you. So I'm going to be sharing the 4 main reasons why they might not be working, and I have a solution for what you can try as well. Hi, I'm Mallory Grimsey. I'm a teen therapist and huge fan of coping skills. I am all about helping you improve your mental health, and if that is something that you're into, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so coping skills, if you're not familiar with that term already, these are the strategies that we recommend that you use to help you hang in there through the intensity of an uncomfortable or difficult emotional experience. They are not meant to solve the problem. They don't necessarily even change the situation, but they can change the way you think, feel, and experience the situation so that you can make healthier, better choices based on what you know is going to be helpful rather than letting your emotions lead the way. You want to consider how frequently you're experiencing these emotions. Are you having enough time in between emotional spikes or dips to recover? If not, you may need to change up your coping strategies or incorporate more. So in the Coping Skills Crash Course, I'm going to be going over specific coping strategies within every category of dialectical behavior therapies, the stress tolerance module. It may also be a sign that you may need something stronger than coping skills. So talking to somebody like a mental health therapist or even a medication prescriber to see if there's any other alternatives or treatment that can be helpful in navigating these situations can be really effective. The next thing that you need to factor in is how long are you experiencing these emotions? Some of us cycle through our emotional experiences rather quickly, so we don't necessarily need to use too many coping strategies to get to the next moment. Others of us experience emotions for a longer amount of time, which means that we may have to use a few coping strategies to occupy the length of time we experience an emotion. And of course, you need to factor in the emotional intensity of what it is that you're experiencing. So checking in on a scale of 0 to 10, where 10 is the most extreme, intense, uncomfortable that you could ever experience on that level, and 0 is calm, cool, neutral, no issue at all. You want to check in on where your discomfort level is when you start, during, and after you use your coping strategies. It's actually really good to check in after each coping strategy to see okay, did it get worse? Did it get better? Did it stay the same? Do I need to try something else? So checking in on why you're using these coping skills and redefining what working means can be really helpful. So a great way to know what to do and how to do it is to have a list of several coping strategies ready to go. And so I'm going to be going over all of these different coping strategies in the Coping Skills Crash Course. This is going to be a live event where you can ask me anything you want about coping skills and I'll be there live to answer it. There will be a replay for purchase. So if you can't catch it live or you're catching this video after the fact, don't worry, I'm not leaving you out, and it will be low cost. So you'll be getting a variety of coping skills for a variety of situations that can help you get to that next moment. If that's something that you're interested in, be sure to click the link and I will send you all the information that you need. I really hope that you found the information in this video useful and helpful and that it may have changed your mind about coping skills. If it did, let me know. And if you found it helpful and useful for you, be sure to share it. You never know who you could be helping in the process. As always, thanks for watching.